Matapos sa makasaysayang kampanya sa Wimbledon, binigyan ng Malacanang ng homecoming reception ang atletang si Alex Eala. Ginawaran din ang 21 anyos na tennis star ng Presidential Citation bilang pagkilala sa kanyang mga tagumpay sa international tennis. Sa nasabing programa, hindi na itago ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang pagiging fan ni Alex.
I cannot, I'm a fan, so I'm gushing, okay? I'm sorry. I'm a real fan of yours. And one day, I hope I will get the opportunity to watch you. I just wanted to add one more note, Alex. I just wanted to explain. You know, all of this was, we don't really have a protocol for this. Inimbento lang namin ito para magka-excuse kami magpa-picture sa'yo. So that's so that you understand.
Pero higit sa mga panalo ni Eala, humanga si Pangulong Marcos sa kanyang discipline at professionalism, gayon din sa palagi nitong pagmamalaki sa pagiging Pilipino.
That is impressive. That is impressive. That is a sign of a true fighter, a true champion. The way that you can keep your concentration, the way that you can keep your commitment. And that, I think, that is one of the qualities that you have. That is why you have been so successful.
Para naman kay Eala, hindi lamang sa kanya ang tagumpay sa Wimbledon. Sinabi ni Eala na dala niya ang bandila ng Pilipinas saan man siya magpunta at patuloy niyang irerepresenta ang bansa sa abot ng kanyang makakaya sa loob at labas ng court.
Lubos kong ipinagmamalaki ang pagiging Pilipino. I carry the flag with me wherever I go. And I am a firm believer that where you come from is a big part of who you are. So, like you said, Mr. President, I do my best to represent the best of our country on and off the court because I'm really proud and it comes from a genuine place of love. So, I promise that I will continue to represent the Philippines in the best way that I possibly can.
Tiniyak naman ng punong ehekutibo ang suporta ng pamahalaan sa tennis career ni Eala at sinabing handa itong tumulong sa anumang kakailanganin ng atleta. Bago matapos ang programa, niregaluhan ni Eala ang Pangulo ng tennis ball at cup. Matapos naman ang Wimbledon, umakyat si Eala sa career high world number 28 sa WTA singles ranking, ang pinakamataas na naabot ng isang Filipina. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Maricar Saragan ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music and News Authority.